let's begin by saving our project as a new copy for this is episode 3. So I made some new costumes in the level sprite. I made 5 costumes. Here they are. So since this episode will be about vertical levels, I added a wall jump area in the 5th scene. So let's make the vertical levels. But their names will be Scene 101, Scene 102, etc. Now it wouldn't work if we didn't add the vertical level script, right? So let's begin in the player sprite. So we will update the tick last script. So duplicate both of the if checks and swap the X positions to be Y positions. So if Y position is greater than 180, then broadcast change scene hash by 100 and set Y to negative 160. And at the other one, we swap the negatives to be positives and the positives to be negatives. So let's test it. Dashing to the 5th scene and up we go. Wait, why didn't it work? Oh, I get it. It's the scene above the 5th scene, but its name is Scene 101. This thing has to be Scene 105 and 106. And let's add a new costume for the 6th scene. Now let's test it. It works! It works! Yeah! Man, it's perfect! I can play this thing all day long! And guys, you can edit your levels as much as you like. But you know what? 4 minutes per episode is too short, so I want to show you some other platformers that were shared by the Scratch community. So I searched for platformer in Scratch and I want to show you about top 10 platformers. So the first following platformer is Jumper Platformer. So nice music, perfect music, and oh my gosh, I can change the cube color. So I'm going to choose purple and click play. Okay, so the levels are sort of hard. Oh, this water part is hard, really hard. Okay, the second platformer is Platformer by Golden Guppy 17. Hey, let's see if this red rectangle is lava. Yep, it is. It was nice. Perfect. Third on the list is Minecraft Platformer by Racing Ace, which even the first scene is hard to leave for first-time players. Next, we have Platformer by Norman the Gamer, which the levels start from easy and go harder as you proceed. The fifth platformer is Platformer by Goryrap0612. Which has easy and hard levels and has a perfect level design. We have Platformer by Harry Potter 2602, which the whole levels are red and have really hard levels to play. Is Pen Platformer by Terrible Games 123, which has a level selector and a level designer. Okay, the play is hard, but it doesn't even have a bad level designer at all. So let's design a level. Okay, we can't test this. So let's try playing again. Got the first level! Yay! But the second level has a hard wall jump area and some obstacles. Whoa, the third level is quite hard. Nobody can pass there. is Platformer by, again, Terrible Games 1, 2, 3, which has easy and hard levels and some description while playing too. First time, I couldn't go more than this third scene, but now I can. Well, now I can't go this far. Guys, we finally hit the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed, and to support me, don't even forget to press that subscribe button and leave a like to my videos. And here's another thing. I'm going to leave the Scratch link and even a Scratch Studio where you can easily put your platformer projects in. You don't even need to give me the URL, just put your projects as much as you like. And see you next time. Bye.